Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I will show you how you can activate Google Assistant on the smartphone. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store, type Google. We have to update Google app to the latest version, so just make it like that. If you have a new version of the firmware of this app, you don't have to make this step. Okay, right now just simply open. Click on More, tap on the settings, go for the Google Assistant. Right now we have to simply scroll down and find General Settings. It will be under the food and the drink. Then tap on the switcher, click to turn on, and as you can see, after a few moments our assistant is activated, so we can easily use it, just like that. So as you can see, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.